Have you ever wondered how to turn a rejection into a comeback story? Facing rejection can feel like hitting a dead end, but what if there is a way through? You must understand that overcoming this hurdle can lead to personal growth and potentially change the course of your relationship. By the end of this video, you will learn practical steps to possibly make her reconsider her decision and see you in a new light. Number 10. Lighten up on the rejection. Nobody enjoys the sting of rejection. It is a tough pill to swallow and can lead you down a spiral of self-doubt and sadness. But dwelling on it doesn't help. Instead of replaying the moment over and over, ask yourself, will obsessing over this change the outcome? What positive steps can I take instead? Remember, having a strategy to move forward can be your best ally. If you catch yourself stuck in a loop of negative thoughts, try talking it out with friends or jotting down your feelings. Keeping busy can also distract you from the pain and allow you time to heal. Remember, her feelings may shift or they may not, but either way, sulking won't help. Picking yourself up and getting back to your usual self not only feels better, but also boosts your appeal. Number 9. Start fresh. After a rejection, it is tempting to want to prove yourself worthy of a relationship immediately. However, coming on too strong can backfire. Instead, take a step back and aim for a fresh start, but from a different angle. Friendship. Women feel more comfortable opening up to men who aren't overtly trying to win them over romantically right off the bat. When you show you can be a dependable friend, you lay down the groundwork for her to see you in a new light. Over time, as she values the friendship and what you bring to it, she will start to reconsider her stance on taking things to the next level. Remember, patience is key. Rushing to win her affection right after being rejected can seem desperate. Instead, give her space to miss you, and she will just start seeing you as the opportunity she initially passed up. Number 8. Rethink your initial approach. Reflecting on how you first approached her can offer valuable insights. Maybe your confidence came off as arrogance, or perhaps shyness was mistaken for disinterest. The way you introduced yourself could have set the tone for the entire interaction, which led to an unfavorable outcome. It is important to consider whether your approach was too forward or if you inadvertently crossed a boundary. A simple, "Hi, how are you?" can be more inviting than a comment that can be perceived as reducing her to an object of desire. When you understand this, you adjust your approach in future interactions. As a result, you come across as respectful and genuinely interested in her as a person. Number 7. Embrace her decision gracefully. Accepting her decision is the most important part of moving forward. If she is not interested, persisting can push her further away. No matter what the circumstances were, you must respect her space and her choice. This doesn't mean you have to give up on love. Rather, see it as an opportunity to grow and possibly prepare for a better match. Remember, desperation is unattractive and can lead to further rejection. Instead, focus on self-improvement and living your best life. And who knows, in time she will see you in a new light, or you find someone who appreciates you for who you are right from the start. Acceptance isn't about defeat. It is about respecting both her feelings and your own well-being. Number 6. Respect her no matter what. Handling rejection with grace can be challenging, particularly if it felt abrupt or harsh. Yet, it is essential to remember that pressuring her or disregarding her wishes can only harm your image and push her further away. Respecting her choice demonstrates maturity and understanding, qualities that are highly attractive and will lead her to view you in a new, more positive light. Proposing friendship instead of insisting on a romantic relationship shows you value her company and respect her boundaries. This approach not only sets a foundation for a potential future connection, but also elevates your standing in her eyes. Remember, respecting her decision is a testament to your character and could pave the way for a deeper connection down the line. Number 5. Align your interests. Finding common ground through shared interests can significantly strengthen your bond. If she is passionate about culinary arts, taking up cooking could be a great way to connect. Similarly, if she is a gamer, showing genuine interest in her favorite games can bring you closer. The key is to engage in activities she loves, whether it is watching movies together, attending a cooking class, or playing video games. Inviting her to share these experiences, possibly with friends for a comfortable setting, can help her see you in a different light. Over time, as you participate in these shared interests, you are not just another acquaintance acquaintance, but become an integral part of her social and emotional world. This shared joy in activities can naturally progress into a deeper, more meaningful relationship, opening the door for her to reconsider her feelings toward you. Number 4. Highlight your best qualities. It is possible that she didn't get a chance to see the best parts of who you are. Maybe certain traits you displayed weren't to her liking, but that doesn't mean you should dwell on your perceived shortcomings. Instead, focus on self-improvement and showcase your strengths. If you have been told you come across as overconfident, practice humility by acknowledging others' achievements and contributions. If competitiveness is your Achilles heel, remind yourself to enjoy activities for the fun of it, not just the win. But remember, your strengths are what make you unique. If kindness is your forte, let that shine through in all your interactions. If you are creative, share your projects or ideas with those around you, including her, indirectly. Working on your weaknesses while confidently displaying your strengths can subtly change her perception of you. Number 3, be patient in your efforts. Patience truly is a virtue, especially when it comes to matters of the heart. Immediate reactions to rejection can be intense, but they don't dictate the future. People's feelings evolve, and what seems like a firm no today will soften over time. This doesn't mean you should wait around indefinitely, but if you genuinely care for her, giving the situation some time can be worthwhile. During this period, focus on living your life to the fullest and continuing to grow as a person. This approach not only helps you move forward, but also makes you more attractive to her. She could see your progress and the way you handle disappointment with grace. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight, but with time, she will start to see you as the person she wants to be with. Number 2, show that you have got options. This strategy walks a fine line, so it is important to proceed with caution. The idea here isn't about using others or playing games. It is about showing that you are a person of value, someone who is desirable and not fixated on a single rejection. If she sees you engaging with others, perhaps even enjoying the company of another woman, it will prompt her to reconsider her stance. This isn't about making her jealous in a malicious way, but rather showing that you are resilient, confident, and still in demand. Casual interactions that highlight your likability and attractiveness can serve as a gentle reminder of what she is missing out on. However, ensure any flirtations are genuine and respectful. The goal is to maintain your integrity while subtly indicating that your world hasn't stopped spinning due to her rejection. Number 1, continue to live life to the fullest. The most attractive quality in a person is their zest for life. Post-rejection, it is vital to keep enjoying your life and not to wallow. Engage more with friends, dive deeper into your hobbies, and stay active. These activities not only improve your mood and self-esteem, but also signal to her and anyone else that you are a high-value man who loves life, with or without a partner. This approach indirectly communicates that while her rejection was a momentary setback, it hasn't defined you. In this way, you exude confidence and positivity, traits that are inherently attractive. This could lead her to see you in a new light, potentially sparking interest where there was none before. Remember, the aim is to be genuinely happy and content with your life, while making anyone's companionship an addition to your happiness, not the sole source of it. Conclusion. Experiencing rejection can be an incredibly painful and demoralizing experience and can leave you feeling inadequate and dejected. However, it is important to recognize that rejection doesn't have to be the end of the story. Instead of allowing it to diminish your self-esteem and confidence, you should choose to view it as an opportunity for growth and self-improvement. When you do it, and when she sees you becoming a better person, this makes her regret her decision and come back to you. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.